Welcome to Tech Creations. Today, I am going to show you a completely new and super easy way to create AI videos. Now, you don't need expensive software or hours of editing. You just have to write your story, and within just 20 seconds, a full video will appear in front of you, ready to use. This method is perfect for beginners and even for professionals who want to save time and effort. If you really want to learn how to make AI videos fast and easily, then watch this video till the end. If you skip any part, you might miss something important and you won't understand the full process. So please make sure to stay with me throughout this video. Also, if you are new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It really motivates us to bring more helpful content for you. AI video creation is the future. And by learning this skill today, you can open the door to many new opportunities. Whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even for your own business. Let's start and learn how you can create amazing AI videos with just a few simple steps. First, you need to open Flyky AI. Flyky AI is one of the best tools for creating videos easily and quickly. Once it is open, click and connect your Gmail account with it. After connecting Gmail, you will see different options appear, like marketing, content creator, teacher, student, internal communication, and other. Here, I will select content creator, but you should choose whatever fits your purpose. After that, another menu will appear where you will see options like marketing videos, YouTube videos, Instagram videos, course training, and others. Click on the type of video you want to create. Then, click on Start Free. Here, you will see many features like idea, script, and URL. Below that, you can create audio, and even further down, you can design a thumbnail too. But I want both audio and video for my project, so I will click on Idea Prompt. Now, I need to write a story for my video, so first, I will open ChatGPT. On ChatGPT, I will type something like, "Give me a short story about a boy and a girl with weapons and a twist." You can create your own story according to your choice on ChatGPT. I'm just showing you an example to explain how to make a story for Flyky. ChatGPT is an amazing tool for creating any kind of story you imagine. Whether you want a horror story, a comedy, a love story, or something full of twists and surprises, ChatGPT can bring your ideas to life. You just need to type a few lines, and it will instantly generate a full, creative story for you. It understands your style and tone and adjusts the story according to your needs. Whether you are a writer, content creator, or just having fun, ChatGPT is the perfect partner for storytelling. It makes imagination turn into reality within seconds. After getting the story from ChatGPT, I will copy it. Then I will come back to Flyky and paste the story there. After pasting, click on Next, or sometimes you may see Skip, just click that. Now you will see that Flyky automatically arranges your story. Next, you need to select a voice. There are many free voice options available. Just choose any one you like. Flyky AI is one of the best tools for creating videos easily and quickly. It uses the power of artificial intelligence to turn your text into professional quality videos within minutes. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, teacher, or business owner, Flyky AI can help you bring your ideas to life. You simply write a script or even just a few prompts, and Flyky automatically generates voiceovers, visuals, and even subtitles.
It's the only way.
It offers a wide range of natural-sounding voices and video templates, making your content look polished and engaging. Flyky saves hours of work by making video creation simple, smart, and fast. It supports multiple languages, giving users global reach. With its user-friendly interface, even beginners can create impressive videos without any technical skills. If you want to grow your brand, teach, or entertain, Flyky AI is the perfect tool. It is truly the future of video creation. My story is ready, looking just like a short film. You can also create such amazing stories. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. In the next video, I will bring a brand new method for you